Hey everybody, Rebecca here, Crafting Journey. I wanted to let you know, stop looking at my jammies. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to bed after this. I drove yesterday, I drove today. I'm finally home from the retreat, and last night Treasure Studios Arts released Christmas. Yes, I'm going to give you a little flavor of what's available, but I will let you know this is not everything, guys. There's more to come. So there's two new artists. There is Marjorie Sarnett, which are the cat paintings that you'll see in the video, and Mystique Arts, which is the sassy lady. Yeah, so cool. So take a look. Use the go down to the description. Use the link to go to Treasure Studios Arts and use Rebecca 15 to get 15% off your total purchase over $40. So, I hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye.